Hey, it's Dustin with PaddleBoss, and this is a little bit strange. I'm in my garage right now. It is 4:41 a.m. I was laying in bed thinking about you. If you're a 3.0 to 3.5 player, I was laying in bed. I woke up thinking about you, and I wanted to make this video to be able to, express this to you. So I'm in my garage right now because everybody else in my house is sleeping. I didn't want to wake them up, and this was kind of the only real private place that had decent light that I could make this video. So here's the thing, a little backstory. I've been in the online training for quite a while. I remember back in 2019, I wanted to make an online pickleball course, and so I pitched the idea to Pickleball Hall of Fame pro Scott Moore. He was all about it, jumped on board. We created an online course called the Pickleball Masterclass back in 2019. And I remember telling Scott, I said, hey, if we don't do this now, other people are going to do it. To my knowledge, we were the only online pickleball training course at that time in 2019. And once we launched it, it seemed like everybody came out with their own pickleball course. So here's the thing. Online training is amazing. I love it. If you look at my history of the different online training courses I've bought, I've taught myself so many different things with online training, anywhere from building websites to growing a hemp farm. We did that. It was through an online course that helped me learn what I needed to learn to be able to have a successful farm. I'm not a farmer. I've taught myself so many different things with online courses. So I totally believe in online courses. And I've created several online courses myself. So anyway, like I said, 2019, we created our first online pickleball training course. It was great. Thousands of people signed up for it. And I think it was a really good program. Fast forward to 2023, my son Xavier was a senior in high school, and my dad, when I was a baseball player, and when I was a senior in high school, we had to do this thing called an application project, and I had the idea. We had a real ratty infield in our baseball field at my high school, and I had the idea of why can't, for my application project, create a new, like, redo the whole infield at our baseball field. And this is a big task. Looking back, I can't believe I actually did it, but my dad and I did it. My dad's amazing. And so he helped the whole process, and so that's what we did. Anyway, so now Xavier's a senior in high school in 2023, and I thought, hey, it'd be fun for me to be able to do something with him. He loves pickleball. He's grown a ton as a player. We've really analyzed the game and learned how to do it. So, like, why don't we create our own online pickleball course? Him and I, it'll help him pay for his college. Like, this was kind of the thinking behind it. It gives him a way to do what he loves and earn some money and that kind of thing. So that's what we did. After we built several online courses, but we were wondering, like, what's the next step for us? And so what we wanted to do is we wanted to create a program that was more than just an online course. Because let's be honest, with online courses, we're in this world, this Netflix world of binge watching things, right? Like, there's a new show that you watch the pilot, you're like, this is a great show. I can't get enough of it. And you end up watching the whole thing in the matter of, a day sometimes, right? Or 2 days or something like that. And so we're always looking for new content, and we want to, like, binge watch that thing. Unfortunately, when it comes to pickleball, binge watching an online course is not the way to grow as a player. But a lot of people treat online courses that way. So they'll enroll in the course, they'll watch everything, they'll go out on the court, they'll forget what they learned. They continue to do the bad habits, and they don't progress in their game like they had hoped, like the course had promised. Now, everything might be there in the course for you, but you just didn't use it the right way. Maybe that's you. So anyway, all that to say, we wanted to create a program that was more than an online course, that actually had some built-in accountability, that had steps that you needed to follow, that was comprehensive, that had a piece of mastery, like you have to master before you move on to the next thing. And so that's exactly what we did. We call it the 4.0 Accelerator. And what the 4.0 Accelerator is it is online training, but like I said, there's a mastery piece that's involved in it. Once you enroll, you go through module 1. There's 6 different modules, and you are not to move on to module 2 until you've proven your mastery in module 1. So let's say one of the modules is about drop shots. You actually have to prove that you are able to hit 40 out of 50 drop shots in a row. Because that's one thing to be able to hit the drop shots with somebody feeding you, but it's not really a game-like situation. So you have to prove your skills, your ability to do it, but then you need to prove your actions as well in each module that shows in a real life game scenario, I'm still able to hit that drop shot with the consistency that's required to become a 4.0 player. So real quick, there's a big jump between a 3.5 player and a 4.0 player. That's the biggest jump. And that's the, like, most people live in the 3.0, 3.5 skill level because they haven't figured out and they haven't learned exactly what it takes to be able to jump to that 4.0 skill level. Once you become a 4.0 player, you understand how to play the game of pickleball and you have the skills to be able to back that up. Now becoming a 4.5 and a 5.0 is just enhancing and perfecting what you already know. That's kind of what it is. So that jump from 3.5 to 4.0 is huge. And some of you might be experiencing the frustration of being kind of stuck at that 3.5 or maybe even that 3.0 level because it is such a big jump and it's a totally different player that plays at 4.0. Maybe you've been watching the 4.0 group, right? And you're not invited to that group, but or maybe you see certain players that you want to be able to play with, but they're not really inviting you to play with them because you're just not there yet. And you're like, that's my goal. I want to play with that guy, or I want to play with that group. Or maybe you're just really frustrated with popping the ball up or making too many unforced errors. Or maybe you're frustrated, or you just feel that insecurity of being the weakest link on the court, or maybe you just don't want to let your partner down. And so you're like, I want to play pickleball. I have so much fun, but I'm always like freezing up because of the pressure of maybe letting my partner down. I don't want to be that guy. And so maybe that's where you're at. And so if that's where you're at and you've been stuck at the 3.5 level, then this program might be for you. Like I said, it's mastery based. The whole idea is Xavier and I wanted to create something that was more than a course. It was something that you enter at your current level, whether that be 3.0, 3.5. It's geared for beginner and intermediate players. And theoretically, we understand that everybody comes with different skill levels, different age, different mobility, different athletic background. And so everybody enters at a different place. But the idea here is you enter at the place that you're at, 3.0, 3.5 player, however long you've been playing. And once you move your way through the program in the organized, systematic way that we've arranged it, theoretically on the back end, when you're done with the program, you're naturally a 4.0 player. So this is a program. It's not just an online course, but it's a program. It's a system to follow that gets you the result that you're looking for, becoming a 4.0 player that then has everything that you need to be able to, if you're able to do it, get to a 4.5 and then move to a 5.0 player. So if that sounds like you and you're interested in learning more, then I want you to click the link down in the description. That'll take you to a page on our website with a calendar on it, and you'll just pick a date and a time that works for you to book a call with Xavier or I. Once you book the call, it'll send you a Zoom link. That'll be the Zoom link at your appointment time that you'll click, and that'll be the Zoom link that you use to get on a call with us. On the call, we will learn a little bit more about you. We'll learn about your pickleball experience, how long you've been playing, what your skill level is, what frustrations are you experiencing, and what goals do you want to reach. If we decide on the call that this is a great fit for you and it's going to help you reach your goals, then we'll invite you to be part of the program. If you're not a good fit for it for whatever reason, we'll just decide right there as well, like this isn't a good fit, and we'll let you know why. And so let's be honest with you, either way. If you do end up joining the program, then what you get is lifetime access to the program, which is really great. Let me talk about something really quick. A lot of times people will say things like, I'd rather do stuff in person. And if you're somebody that has the means and the ability and the locations right to be able to do in-person clinics with a pro, let's say you get to do a Tyson McGuffin 1 day or 2 day experience. If you have the means to do that, by all means, do it. You'll have a ton of fun. You'll learn a lot of stuff. But let me just say what happens a lot of times is there's a ton of information, a ton of practice, and you're only getting to practice things for 20 minutes, and then you move on to the next thing, and to be able to get through all the information. And what people explain it as is like, it's like drinking out of a fire hose. You get so much information, you go back to the courts after the camp is done, and you fall into your old habits because you learn so much in such a small amount of time that you forget what you learned kind of, and it's hard to incorporate what you've learned into your actual play. And so while that was an amazing experience, it had a start date and it had an end date. And that's the problem with those. With the 4.0 Accelerator, it is lifetime access. So there is a start date. You might as well start now, because you get lifetime access. So if you're somebody that is able to get through the material and prove your abilities and your actions in a month's time, and you reach your goals in a month, then more power to you. But that's not the normal case. Most people, it takes a little bit longer. Let's say it takes you 1 year. You have a year. We'll walk with you the entire year. Let's say it takes you 2 years. Let's say it takes you 5 years. Now, I hope it doesn't take you 5 years. I hope it doesn't even take you 2 years. Um, and I hope you don't, start and then stop the process and then start again. Like, I hope you're progressing through the whole things, but that's really up to you. It's lifetime access. So there really isn't a end date to it, which is why it's a great program. We really believe in it. Like I said, if you have the ability to do something in person, do it. But this is going to be something where we walk you through the whole process. So anyway, if that's sounds like something that you need right now at this point in your pickleball game, then again, click the link below to book a call with us. And we look forward to talking with you, learning more about your pickleball experience, and inviting you, if it makes sense, to be part of the 4.0 Accelerator program.